It's not the best roller, but
Hey, this is Rick on the Mustang SVO, doing some of the high build primer. I got the Harbor Freight gun. I drilled out the tip, for the spray gun to 5/16. It worked good for the epoxy primer. Worked fine. Then I tried it for this, and it seemed like the high build was thin enough, but worked for a little bit, and then it got thick and it didn't spray. So I ended up, instead of wasting it, I ended up rolling it. I got a small roller at Ace, a small thin one. I did some of that, and then if you do it by chance like this, or just have some rollers and some liners for your roller pan, some disposable ones. So I'll show you. It's kind of messy, but I think when I sand this, and then next I'm going to do a better. I'll get some thinner reducer stuff, and then also get a different spray gun. Of course, that one for $15, whatever. I just throw it out. I'll get a bigger tip. So this is the way I did it for now, at least to get something on there. After all the prep work I did, taping off and doing all that, one and get some primer on there. So I'll show you. This is the hood. So the hood, all the hours I put in with the regular filler, I applied it and sanded it down. It's pretty flat, but I wanted to just do extra with the high build. And then you can see some of it, as it's drying up, it's getting thick and clumpy. So I wanted to try it though. I haven't seen it before done like that. So for the most of it though, rolled on pretty good, pretty well on the roof. Just put it on pretty thick. You just roll it on really heavy, so it should sand out nice. It's the plan anyway. And then I got the sides. Yeah, just hitting some spots. Some of the parts where the ground effect, the skirt's gonna go. Not doing as much in the front of the fender, where the fender is. I'll show you those, but the fender was able to spray. That's when I started spraying. It sprayed pretty well on the fenders. And then once I got over here, that's where I started. It's just not spraying very well. So yeah, it's definitely on thick. It's on heavy with the roller, so so you can just do one heavy coat, and but of course it's gonna be sanded most of it off anyway. And then here, yeah, it's really rocky, bumpy. So, and then this is where the spoiler It's gonna go right there. You can see where the holes are. So we're only gonna be able to see like this much from here up to the window. That's what's gonna be noticeable. Yeah, so gotta give that a week to set up. I'll show you. Did a little bit just to see what it do on the bumper. I mean, I already had some primer and some paint, factory stuff on there, so I sanded it down. Put some of that on there. Still has some cracks there. And then over on this one, I still have to take care of. So, I mean, this is going to take the most work, the bumper here. But other than that, I mean, it's fairly decent shape, so sand it down. Some primer. Yep. Okay, so the fenders, I just started. I had a little bit more, so I rolled some on here. But like I said, I started spraying here, and then the gas cap, the gas cover door. So these are okay. They sprayed fairly good, fairly well. So once I sand those and see, then I might end up actually spraying those. Get the decent spray gun, the right tip, and the reducer, stuff like that, and then just do it again. But I'll see once I do the guide coat, see how it looks. They don't look bad, but of course with the guide coat it might be a different story. So yeah, so that's that. So hey, thanks for watching and subscribing. All right, take care. Bye now.